Hello students, I hope you all will be fit and fine. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is factors and multiples. This is very interesting topic and you have already learned about this in your previous class. In this class you will learn more about factors and multiple. Factors. Factors of a number divide into it exactly. It means a number which divides a given number exactly, that is called a factor of the given number. For an example, if you have 4 and you are dividing 4 by 2, you are getting remainder 0. 2 2s are 4 and the quotient is 2. It means 2 is the factor of 4. Multiples. Multiples of a number can be divided by it exactly, or a multiple is the product of any two or more factors. Common factors and common multiples. It belongs to two different numbers. Every number can be written as the product of its prime factors. Factors. The factor of a whole number are the number that divide into exactly, as I told you earlier. Like we have 12 here. You can see 1, 2, 6, 4, 3 and 12. We have these numbers and you can easily understand in all the numbers 12 comes. Means you can divide 12 completely by these numbers. If you will divide 12 by 1, you will get remainder 0. Again you will divide 12 by 2, you will get remainder 0. Like 6, 4, 3 and 12 and so on. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So they link up in pairs. You will write 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4 and you will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these are the factors of 12. Always remember one thing, that 1 is the factor of every number, or we always start writing a factor from 1. Common factors. Different numbers can share some of the same factors. These are called their common factor. Like factors of 12, you will write first factors of 12, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now I am writing the factors of 18, that is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So you will find that the numbers both having the same numbers like 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 6, 6. That is called the common factors. So 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the common factors of 12 and 18. Prime numbers. A prime number is a number with only two factors, itself and 1. Another way of putting it is a prime number is a number that is only divisible by itself and 1. Even you can understand a very simple definition. A number those having only two factors, 1 and itself, that is called prime numbers. For example, 2, right? We have 2. 2 comes only in ones table and 2's only. In any number you cannot find 2, right? So 2 has only two factors, 1 and itself. It means 2 is a prime number. So 3, 4, 3, 5, 7, we have more prime numbers. Like here. The factors of a whole numbers are the numbers that divide into exactly, which we have already understood this thing. But here I am just showing that 17 having only two factors, 1 and 17. It means 17 is a prime number. Number that having only two factors are prime. They can only be divided exactly one or themselves. Right? Composite numbers. A composite number is basically the opposite of a opposite to a prime number. A composite number is a number with more than two factors. It means, in other way you can understand, composite number having more than two factors. Like 6 we have, and 6 actually comes in ones table, 2 tables, 3 tables, and itself also. So it has 4 factors, more than 2 factors, so it is a composite number. For example, you can see here we have 25. 25 comes in 1, 5 and 25 as well. So it has 3 factors, so it is actually composite number. 1 is a special. Actually 1 is a special case. It is not a prime or it is not a composite number because it does not have any exactly 2 different factors, first of all, and the second, because it does not have any then more more than 2 factors also. So it is a unique number.